Hello, Nissan collectors, in particular cartoon ones. So we have a Nissan Teana here, done by Choro-Q. This is a dealership model, and we're going to take a look here. I'm just guessing this is reused. It looks like it's been taped twice. Now, looking at the photos of this car, this is the first generation Teana, which came out in like 2003. I think it's sharing the same platform as like either the Altima or the Maxima. It looks like a mid-sized vehicle. I don't know much else about it. But what I'm getting at is I would have no desire to buy this in 1/64 scale. It's just not a it's just a random car, you know. I can't say it's retro enough that I want it, and it's not cool enough that I want it in 1/64. But when you start cartooning things out, I'm much more open to buying just random common cars. So let's see what the deformation is going on here. They seem to have taken a very angular approach to this. The real car looks a little more smooth, I suppose. This looks very faceted. So interesting styling. The wheels are kind of close. Alright, so here's a rear view. The taillights are kind of close. You got the white bar towards the bottom. The window frame, kind of close as well. Definitely foreshortened quite a bit. Maybe, I don't know, 60%. Alright, so that's that. So looking at the paint here, this is a nice metallic blue on this one. And then the wheels are nice because I've never seen these wheels before. These are unique to this casting. It even looks like it's got like a Nissan logo in the middle there. Needs a little black paint to really help out the details, but I can add that later. What's also nice is the door handles have silver paint on them. I wouldn't expect that, but these are dealership models, so I guess they have to be a notch above your standard Choro-Q. There's also depressions above and below the handles. There's an orange marker there on the side. Is this a smoked canopy? Yeah, it looks like it is, yep. No side mirrors, that's okay. We got some printed on wiper blades. Nice blue paint. And then, yeah, the Nissan badge is molded, it's just not printed. And then the grill is some silver, but unfortunately no black in the recesses. And then I'm gonna guess these headlights are actually smoked plastic like the canopy. And then down here we have a fog light detail and some ribbing, but no additional paint. Going to the back, yep, printed on taillights. The Nissan badge is raised, and it just says Nissan. And then here, well, unfortunately it doesn't say when this was made. So that's too bad. I looked online, I think this was part of a set. I can see the production dial though, there on the other side of this base. 03, I think. Yeah, so no matter which way this is facing, that would be 2003. So it's a pretty old model, or a pretty old toy. Standard construction. Yeah, the headlights are clear, you can see here from the back side. And then I think the body is all clear plastic and just painted this blue. So it's very nice. The stance isn't that bad either. I think I'm just going to leave this one alone, other than maybe add some black paint to the wheels and the grille, and maybe some silver for the fog lights. But the rest of it seems good enough for me, so no wheel swap or anything like that. Alright, let's let this guy spin on with some other things. So since I don't really collect anything like this, I do collect these TLVs though. This is a more classic car. This is a Gloria GT Super from 1987 to 1991. Alright. And now I'm just going to start throwing up some Choro-Qs. Four-door Choro-Qs. Here's one of my favorites, a Nissan President with some 3D printed wheels. Here's a Nissan Gloria with some Hot Wheels that I resprayed with a goldish color. And then a Nissan Crew taxi cab that has some sort of cheap aftermarket wheels that are meant for Hot Wheels. And they swapped the tires over. Alright, so those are my four-door Nissans. I'm not sure if that Gloria is a four-door though. It doesn't actually have a second door handle in the back. Not sure. Alright, let's let this guy spin on its own. Every model gets a chance of its own. So, yeah, as I mentioned, I'm much more open-minded when it comes to deformed vehicles. They take up less space. That's the main reason. I can collect 2 of these for 1 regular scale model. Alright guys, well thanks for tuning in. I'll see you the next time. Bye.